Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, today we are gonna add the words, and we have to open first the Python idle shell, and we have to first write print and then a bracket and a comma, and then if you want to write anything you want to write, say hi for now, and then I just put another comma and just put a plus because we are adding this, and again the same thing, the comma then plus then the comma, and then we don't have to take any spaces, and after the comma we have to write whatever you want to write, like how are you, and just a comma and a bracket, and your code is done, and you have to just enter it, and it is hi, how are you. If you want to just put, I just write this again and copy it. If you want to just put it, that mostly that I just choose. If you want to write oh my god and then remove this kind of part and enter oh my god, how are you, it will just show it like this. Oh my god, how are you. And this is for the today's video. So bye for now. Meet you in the next video.